Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. My name is Mary, and today I'm making for you a curried rice salad. We're starting off with 2 cups of rice. You could do 3 if you had, and you can use leftover rice, or you can make this special for this, just like I did. But any kind of rice too. I normally do it with brown rice. This happens to be jasmine rice, I think. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Here I have 1 green bell pepper chopped, 1 red bell pepper chopped, and then 1 red, actually it's about 1/2 of a red onion finely diced. It's cut way smaller than the bell peppers are. Just because, they have a much stronger taste. This mixed. Okay, now adding 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and that's to taste. And this is 1.5 teaspoons of curry powder. 1 can of drained peas. Taste for seasoning. This is so good. It has so many flavors going on there with the different color bell peppers, because the red one's kind of sweet and the green one is a little more strong flavor, and then you have the peas in there, and then the curry. It's just delicious. I'm going to put it in a bowl, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and it's going to be even better. You could eat this right now if you wanted to. I hope you'll give this a try in your kitchen. If you like this video, if you give me a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. If you'd consider subscribing to my channel, I'd appreciate it. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. You take care now.